What is going on, YouTube? It is your buddy, everybody's buddy, Car Craftsman, coming back with another video. Today, I want to say thank you. I'm about to hit 1,000 subscribers. I don't mean to sound cocky, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get there. I'm right around 950 now, and I started really getting into YouTube about a year or two ago, and of course getting 1,000 subscribers is a pretty big milestone. You can finally get monetized and do other things, and I hope to grow a channel that actually connects with other YouTubers and really is a community thing where the car culture really gets together. Car culture has a bunch of great people in it, and I meet new friends all the time, and I'm very happy to do that. So, but yeah, on to my video here. We're going to do a giveaway, and the giveaway is going to be hosted on Instagram. You're going to have to go ahead and follow Car Craftsman on Instagram, so to be entered in this giveaway. And I'm going to make the post a little bit later today, and in this post you're going to have to guess a catchphrase that I've been using here as of lately. I'd like to make a couple t-shirts here in the future to make available as merchandise to sell here, and this catchphrase, I'm going to leave a couple clues there on Instagram what it could be, but the first person that gets that catchphrase is going to get one of these. I can't tell you how valuable this thing is when you're trying to find a bolt, when you're trying to find sand scratches, when you're anything. It doesn't matter. You clean your toilet. This thing is the ish, and it is rechargeable. You could even, okay, now I look dumb. You could even take it off of the headband and use it that way. And but yeah, it's great, rechargeable, and you will enjoy this quite a bit here. And then we got a razor, and this thing is a 30-degree snap blade razor, and this thing is great for getting into the tightest areas when you're taping up, and another very valuable tool in the body shop. So I'm going to be giving away those two items there, brand new, and even a pack of new razors here to the first person that could guess my new catchphrase that I'm about to drop on Instagram. And what I have going on, well, this thing just showed up at my shop, and it is well, it's going to be the biggest project I've ever done, so maybe you want to subscribe and see if I could actually pull this off. It's a project, let me tell you. There's parts everywhere already, so let's see if I can't organize and get this thing done, or if I fail. I bet everybody wants to see something like that happen. But anyway, 1,000 subscribers, thank you very much. You want to see content like this, subscribe yourself, like the video if you like the video. Can't thank you enough. Hope to do many big things in the future, because I've really never had the coolest car. I've never had too much money to be able to spend on leisurely luxury items like this, and I hope to be able to achieve that with some of your help. Thank you again. Car Craftsman out.